Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can change the background of your Zoom application's camera. Just need to open your Zoom application right away, and then just need to wait until the application is perfectly open. Now there will be like 5 sections down part here. Now just need to visit this setting part by Google this 3 small dots or more, and then just need to go click into the settings with the meeting sections. Now please focus on the video, and there will be like a background and effects there. Just go tap it and you will have a simulations for the Zoom camera here. So here is the original background that you will get whenever you open your camera when you're on meeting. But then if you want to change it into other background, just need to slide this side up, and there will be like some background that already provided by the Zoom application. Or if you already have the picture on your phone, just need to go click this plus button, so there will be like access into your photo library. Here I want to use what I have here, and then just need to go slide down back this option, and now this is the background that you have. So that is for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this videos a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.